Guys, what you can see right here is I have bundled up some of the bushes to light the fire. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get some water. That, you know, you can control the fire to fire get way. You can out it. Right, so I have some guys over there. I don't know if you can see them. They're right over there. I don't know if you can see them. They're cutting some grass for me to put in this area. So I want to light this section first before, so they can out down, so that I can get the guys to lay the grass on this ball section. So I'm just walking up here to the water tank to get some water. So guys, this section needs clearing, and I want to chop down all these trees, but that's for another day. Now guys, maca juke me, ants bite me, everything that is bad have been happening to me right now. Trust me, farming is very hard work if you're going to be in there yourself. I mean, if you're hiring someone and paying all that money, it's not bad. So I'm just going to get some water